How to order online from Walmart. Let's get started. Launch your Walmart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now head towards the item that you want to purchase, or else you can search for it. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the item name that you want to purchase. After item appears, click on it. Now you can add this item to the cart, or also you can click on the option of buy now. First, you select the details of the item and then click on buy now or add to cart. I'm gonna add to cart. I'm gonna purchase few more items. So I'm adding these items to the cart. Once you are done adding the items to the cart, you can head over to the cart section. At the top right corner, you're gonna find this cart icon. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the cart page. Now here you're gonna find all the items that you have selected to purchase. Now I can check out. So click on the option of continue to check out. Now I can provide you shipping details. Likewise, you can select the shipping method and scrolling down, you have to select the payment method. Once you provide all the details, scroll all the way down and click on the option of save cart and confirm your order. This way you can easily order online from Walmart. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.